Yo, what's up my people? Thank you very much for clicking on this video. And in today's video we're going to talk about this Euro JPY and Euro USD weekly forecast or weekly analysis, right? You know that in our last video I spoke about this Euro JPY and I told you guys that okay, the market is going to sell before it's going to buy, right? So even me as well, last week I was in a sell for this Euro JPY, but right now what the market is doing is that it's trying to be in a range zone. So we're trying to expect a breakout of this range. Then we're trying to see where exactly this Euro JPY is going to go next after breaking out of this ranging structure, right? So with that out of the way, let me just go straight forward and start the analysis on this Euro JPY, right? Because that's why you click on this video. So right now, this is Euro JPY daily time frame right here, and I'm seeing some sort of candlestick pattern that is going to tell me that, hey Israel, I'm ready to sell. But right now, before we start selling it, let's see how far this market is going to sell or how far this space is going to sell, right? If you know that okay, the market is going to sell for these pips and things like that, you know that you're going to find it very easy for you to trade it in the forex market, and also you'll be able to know exactly what is the risk reward ratio and also how to perform a very good risk management on it, right? Because it is very important for you to know your analysis first and know how many pips are you trying to put as your stop loss so that you don't exceed that maximum lot size that you are supposed to put on your account, right? So right here it is the Euro JPY daily time frame. I'm just trying to put my support and resistance right on this daily time frame, isn't it? Because it is very important for you to put your support and resistance when it comes to forex trading. So I don't know how you trade, but me personally, whenever time I trade, I must definitely put my support and resistance because it does help me a lot in the forex market. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame right now. So this is 4-hour time frame on this Euro JPY. As you guys can see that I plot this my support and resistance on the daily time frame, isn't it? So and the maximum that I go for on the daily time frame is 5 maximum of support and resistance. That's how I do. So right now I see another level right there. What am I going to do next? So you see, I'll just take up my ranges zone or price range right here, then mark this out. It's kind of telling me that, hey Israel, the market is ranging, and you know exactly how does the ranging market moves, right? Ranging market usually moves a high, low, lower, high, high, low, lower, high. That's how a ranging market moves. That's why you see at times people are saying buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, right? So if you buy it right here, that means you're buying it low, and if you sell it right here, that means you're selling it high, right? So at times in the forex market, you might hear some people saying, hey, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, and things like that. So this is what exactly they mean by buy low, sell high if you are trading in a ranging market. And also me personally, I don't like trading ranging market. I like to move with a very strong and impulsive move, right? That's why I'm a swing trader, because there are some things that we call swing high and swing low, right? So if you are a swing trader, you're trying to look out for either the swing high move or the swing low move. When it comes to uptrending market and downtrending market, if it is an uptrending market, you look out for swing high move. If it is a downtrending market, you look out for swing low move, right? That's how you will be able to be profitable in the forex market so far you're forex trader and so far you're price action and naked chart trader. So enough of the talk, guys. So right now what you are seeing on the screen is Euro JPY 4-hour time frame, and I told you guys that you're supposed to be putting your support and resistance whenever time you're trying to trade in the forex market, isn't it? So also I'm seeing another level right here because the market was making a move to the upside, and right now the market is kind of exhausted when it reaches this zone, right? But right now that's another level right there. So when the market reaches this zone, you see that we had some sort of a evening star formation to ride it all the way to the downside. But right now what I'm saying is the market is just ranging at the moment right on this level. So what are we going to be seeing next is a breakout of this structure. Once we see a breakout, this is what's going to happen, guys. The market will first of all break out of this zone to this point. After breaking out, we might see another retracement, boom, before continuing the move to this point. You know what I'm saying? So after we see a breakout of this zone again, it will still come back down to this point. But most importantly, make sure that you are just monitoring what is happening on this particular pair, because it is very important for you to monitor your trade. It is very important, guys. So make sure you monitor the move that is going to happen on this Euro JPY. So let's go down to 1-hour time frame. So this 1-hour time frame, you see similar thing happening right on the 1-hour time frame as well. You see the market was making a high low, lower high, lower low, lower high. lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So now next move is going to be a lower low move to make it all the way to the downside, right? So that's what I'm going to be expecting on this particular pair being Euro JPY. So yeah, just wait for the market to open and sell it to all the way where your take profit is going to be, right? So yeah, I'm expecting Euro JPY to sell all the way to the downside, isn't it? So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on Euro JPY. Let's go down to Euro USD. So yeah, this is Euro USD now for our time frame, and we are going to start with the daily time frame also, because that's how I put my support and resistance and everything like that, you know. So yeah, this is the daily time frame right now. Then I will just put at maximum of 5 support. You see that? At maximum of 5 support and resistance. That's what I do on the daily time frame. We go back down to 4 hour time frame and do same thing, just to amend our support and resistance if needed, right? And of course right here I have to shift this back down to this point so that it can serve as a very good support for me, right? And also right here it is another place whereby I will put my support right here as well. That's another level. There's difference between this my rectangle and different between my horizontal line, right? Because you have to know all these kind of stuffs, guys, so that you can just understand exactly what I'm doing in the forex market, isn't it? So yeah, I'm seeing another level right here, and there's another level right here as well. So these are some potential zones where the market might just react to whichever time it goes up or down right in this structure, isn't it? So this is what is gonna happen. Break out of this again, retest, and boom, continue to move to either to this point, and if it's broken we might see another move to the downside, like, and of course it's going to be very hard for it to move like this, man. So I might see just some sort of retracement to this point before it will go back up to the upside, right? So yeah, we have to just start monitoring all of these pairs like Euro JPY, Euro USD, and things like that in order for us to know exactly what is going to happen when the market opens. But right now this is what I'm seeing without this move on this Euro USD. So I'm expecting the move to break out of this zone, because right now Euro USD as well is trying to be in a ranging market. So you know that's how we trade the ranging market: sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, and things like that. That's like common term that forex trader use in the forex market, right? This is what is happening right now on this Euro USD. So expect a breakout of this structure. After it's broken, then you ride it all the way to where your final take profit is going to be. So and right now, according to me, this is where I'm expecting this Euro USD to come back down first, and all of this sell move is just going to be a retracement, not a long-term move. Keep that at the back of your mind, not a long-term move. Yeah, so right now that's what I'm seeing on Euro USD. And of course, let's go down to 1 hour time frame and see what is happening, right? So you see what is happening right now on this 1 hour time frame as well. Similar thing, that's what I'm seeing on Euro USD. If you have any questions, just let me know down in the comment section of this video, and I will try my best and answer you anytime that I just see your comment or your question, right? And of course, if you want to DM me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook page, and also our Telegram, right? So make sure you follow us on all of these social media platforms. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm Su Israel the Trader. I'm signing out, and peace out to you. Stay safe. I wish you a preferable and very good week, you know. So thank you very much. See you next time.